If you want to make 2024 unforgettable, if you want to get on the grind and make some money this year, we have to talk.
I've had some wonderful results. A couple weeks ago, I threw in $50, and that first week, I think it was about 4 or 5 days, I turned it into almost $6,000.
Raphael, really thank you for everything, man. It's unbelievable how you helped me. Look at this. I have 100,000 euro on my bank account. I could cry.
Made $11,500 this week. It was very good week, very good trades. So
Raphael's a good trader, man. He's a humble dude. He's a good trader. He's pretty modest about his trading, but you know, let's be real. He makes some. He fucking stacks up some pretty serious coin. So you know, it's no joke. He's a good trader. I want to be just like him.
My results. So I started with 3,000, and over in just under a week. Just over a week. Sorry, I got to about 68,000, mental, crazy. And I've only been doing it off my phone, literally. I work Monday to Friday.
Raphael has it in his bio. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. And you know, when that money starts flowing and you start getting it, this is something that you can use for the rest of your life.
I started as a nurse assistant, didn't have that much time to trade, but I managed to become an independent trader over time. And now I'm making 7 figures. Just last year I made $2 million, averaging 20% profit a month. And that's crazy, that's really crazy. And I will show you exactly how I'm doing this, alright? So make sure to drop me a message right now, or click the link down below, join my free Telegram channel, drop me a message if you want to get on the grind, if you want to make 2024 unforgettable. Let's talk, okay? I'm excited and I would love to help you out and get on top. Let's see, buddy. Wish you a great day and we talk soon. Take care. Peace.